crude moves higher as inventory data shows a build less than expected. Luke, here we are again. It broke through your 54 level. We're now trading over 55. Has anything really changed fundamentally, or is it just the data was a little bit better?
I think part of it was the data, and then, we've had some geopolitical stuff since the last time we spoke, and that's still kind of up in the air. But then we got at the other side with Iran saying that there's going to be a lot of supply coming on from Iran. I don't think that's true. It's just that, crude has taken out a lot of the marginal players, like we said OPEC was trying to do, and rig counts in the U.S. are down. And even though global supply is still fairly decent, it looks like the Saudis are getting what they wanted. OPEC is standing strong, and this move in crude is impressive when you look at the fact that the dollar hasn't really moved that much. So it's all about the crude right now.
Do you think you'll get an additional bid as we come into the summer driving season? Because you do get some seasonal demand there. Yeah,
exactly. Projections are that it's going to be a big driving season, and you also have the fact that during the summer, a lot of these refineries are already switched over. So I don't know how much more they can pump out. And even though unleaded gasoline is tied to crude, it's not directly the same thing. As crude moves, unleaded gasoline prices have been kind of firming up. So I think we'll see a good floor on crude for the rest of the summer.
So what range are you looking at? Because before the key levels were anywhere from 48 to 54. We're over that $54 level now. Think 60 is the next stop, possibly?
Yeah, as I've said before, I've really got no reason for this, but I like crude at even numbers. When it gets to even numbers, I expect it to go to the next even number. So it broke through 55. I think the next resistance right now is 60. It can float around between, for me, about 52 to 58. If it gets around 60 and then it goes up higher, we've got QE going on in Europe, but also talks of QE and some QE in China now. If economic activity picks up, then crude is going to go up.
Okay, thanks very much, Luke.
Talk to you soon.
For TheStreet in New York, I'm Jill Malandrino.